Artificial intelligence isn't just shaping the future, it's opening doors for anyone ready to learn and create. Here are some easy ways you can start earning from AI today. 1. Freelance AI work. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you offer services such as AI-powered writing, data analysis, or chatbot building. 2. Content creation with AI tools. Use apps like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Canva AI to create blogs, videos, and social media posts for clients or your own channel. 3. AI art and AMP. Design. Sell unique AI-generated art or digital prints on Etsy, Redbubble, or your own website. 4. Build AI chatbots. Many businesses need custom bots for customer service. You can make and sell them without coding. 5. Online courses and AMP tutorials. If you know how to use AI tools, create tutorials or teach others through YouTube or paid courses. And GT. Glowing star emoji. Tip. Focus on one niche first, build a portfolio, and share your results online to attract clients. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EduTech 360. Hit the bell emoji to get notified about new tips on AI and tech.